It looks like angel skin. Oh, this is good. I actually had to look up how to pronounce this brewery. I've never known how. Apparently it's pronounced Schlafly, and this is their Christmas ale with spices. I love the very like old-fashioned kind of homespun artwork on the bottle. That's so cute and festive. Damn it. This is a monthly favorites video, but it's way overdue. We've got Naturium, Ole Henriksen, Ami Cole, Patrick Ta, Saie Beauty, Rhode, and Merit. If you are new here, hello, my name is Cate, and I'm an exclusively pro-choice influencer. That means I only feature products from brands that are in support of abortion rights. Okay, so I'm gonna start with skincare and then we're gonna get into makeup. I have some great skincare recommendations here for you today. So I have been using this product for the last couple months and it has become an obsession of mine. This is the Naturium Barrier Bounce, and this is an advanced skin hydrator. It has 5% squalane, 2% urea, and ceramide complex. It's a nourishing formula that plumps, brightens, and hydrates skin for a glowing complexion. So this formula is very much an emulsion formula. It's really nice and thick and rich. This is one of those products that I feel like is especially perfect for the winter time. It just feels so good on the skin, and you know, like all skincare products, I drag it all the way down the neck and into my décolleté as well. It is so restorative, it is so healing, and something that I've learned to do that I haven't been doing, and I'm like, why haven't I been doing that, is taking the skincare products I use on my face and also putting them on my lips. This is a great product to put on your lips before a lip mask to really get that intense hydration. I really don't know what it is in here that is so healing for my lips. I'm thinking it might be the urea, and because this is more of an emulsion, I think of this as a more thick, rich serum formula. So with skincare, it's always thinnest to thickest. This is a thicker formula, so I'm gonna use my thinner serums first, then I'm gonna use this, and then I'll go over that with a face cream. It really gives your skin that beautiful, bouncy, elastic quality. Moving on to another product from Naturium, and this is an even newer addition for me. This is the Naturium multi-peptide rich cream. This is a multi-peptide blend plus ferulic acid and linseed extract. This is like the thickest, richest face cream. It's just really intense, and it definitely doesn't sink into the skin quite as fast. It definitely leaves you with that super glazed ham effect. In the winter months, I kind of love that. So what I've been doing is I've been interchanging this with my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream and my Dew Skin Cream. I've kind of been going back and forth. All like incredibly hydrating face creams. This is an ultra rich cream formulated with an advanced multi-peptide blend to intensely nourish, smooth, and firm skin's appearance. An innovative combination of palmitoyl pentapeptide 4. Okay, so palmitoyl tripeptide is an ingredient that I keep on hearing about in all of my favorite skincare products. Copper tripeptide 1 and encapsulated ferulic acid help target fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful looking complexion. Plus it has linseed extract to help plump and lock in moisture for hydrated, healthy looking skin. And I really just don't get how Naturium does it. I think their packaging for the most part is really beautiful, on top of the fact that you're getting amazing formulas, and this is only $25. This is the newest release from Rhode Skin, and I've been wanting to talk to you guys about this. This is another product that I have been folding into my skincare regimen. This is my final step. This is the Barrier Butter. It is a universal hydration layer, and this is really my favorite way to slug that I've ever found. I know a lot of people like to slug with Vaseline. Tried that, and while my skin looked amazing, I just didn't like the Vaseline feel on my face. I don't feel that way when I use this. This is literally like a silky butter. See, there's the Barrier Butter right there. And this is going to help seal in all of your skincare. If you don't use a slugging layer, you are going to lose more water throughout the night. This really helps prevent transepidermal water loss. I also love the fact that Rhode has made a mini size of this, a travel size. So if you want to just try it out, spend a little less money, or you want something that's going to be easy to just throw in your bag, that's a perfect option. Okay, I am very, very excited about this makeup tool that I have to show you because I have been looking for an eyelash curler like this for a long time now. So this is the new Glossier lash curler, and I actually was using the Tower 20 28 lash curler that they came out with recently. Didn't love that one. In fact, really didn't like it. I didn't like how it was spring loaded. I felt like I couldn't really like get into my lashes and curl them as much as I can with other lash curlers. This is like my ideal lash curler. This is just an old school model. There's nothing fancy. There's nothing spring loaded about it. And I can literally get down to the base of my lashes and get my best possible curl from them. This is sold in a set. It does come, I believe, with the Glossier Lash Slick. I like the Glossier Lash Slick in terms of what it did for my lashes. I just don't love a tubing mascara. But honestly, it's all still worth it, in my opinion, just for this eyelash curler alone. And if you love tubing mascara, I mean, it's just a win-win. Next, I'm moving on to a skincare slash makeup product. This is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. I love this damn lip mask, and they came out with really beautiful shimmery shades for the holidays. Guys, they're so pretty. So I have the shade Lingonberry Jam Glimmer. They also came out with a creme brulee shimmer, which I also want to get. It looks stunning. This is a lip treatment that has cocoa butter, acai sterols, and peptides, and it is one of my top lip masks. I actually went to Sephora initially to get their shimmery version of strawberry sorbet that they just came out with that's limited edition. They didn't have it. They were all sold out, but I got this instead, and it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Also, like, look at how just holiday and glimmery and stunning the actual packaging is. This formula is really rich and hydrating, but it's also really glidey. There's zero tack to this formula. If anyone has tried the creme brulee, please let me know. Please advise, do I need to get it? I think I do. So we have a brand new foundation from Patrick Ta. I featured this in a video recently. This is the Patrick Ta Major Skin Hydrolux Luminous Skin Perfecting Foundation. I am wearing it on my face today, and I truly cannot get over the gorgeous finish of this. And I don't understand why more people aren't talking about it. Like, it blows my mind. It is so beautiful. It really is, to me, one of those no-fail foundations. I've been using this term a lot lately, but if the shoe fits, it looks like angel skin. I also really like the shade range that Patrick Ta has. Like, this is called Rosy Neutral because the rosy shade was just like a little too light and cool tone for me. So this is like the perfect kind of step up. This is just like kind of an ideal foundation formula for me. It does remind me a lot of the Saie Glowy Super Skin Foundation, another foundation that I feel like not enough people talk about. I don't get it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And I feel like the Patrick Ta builds up even more beautifully than the Saie. I mean, we're really splitting hairs here. And also powder just sets beautifully on top of it as well. I feel like my skin really maintains that like bouncy elastic look. I will tell you, one of my favorite primers to use with a foundation like this that's really glowy and dewy is the Dew Air Angel. This is their hydrating gel cream, and it is a skincare product, but it sets gorgeously underneath makeup. It's just got a little bit of a soft matte finish to it. So if you're wearing something, like I said, dewier in terms of foundation, I feel like this gives your skin a really nice balance in terms of a primer. Okay, next we're moving on to a blush, and this is the blush that I have on my cheeks today. This is a new shade of the Saie Dew Blush. It's in their holiday set. This is called Flirty, and it really is this beautiful pop of pink, and I know it looks really intimidating. As you can see, like, it shears out gorgeously like a little dabble do ya. It just looks so healthy and beautiful, and again, I feel like this is one of those shades that maybe people wouldn't necessarily think that about, but if you use a light hand, I cannot get over this shade. I love this formula so much. I feel like not enough people talk about this formula. Like, what is even going on? That swatch just went on like butter. They are a gel formula, so that's what makes this blush really, really easy to work with. It makes it really easy to blend. And now this is perfect timing. My lips are a perfect canvas for the next duo I'm going to talk about, which is the Amicole Midnight Kiss Duo. So this is another holiday set. These are clear bases with a silver glimmer and a gold glimmer. Guys, the glimmer in these is so subtle. It is so smooth. There is zero grit. So I'm going to go in with the gold glimmer, which is called Magic Hour. Do you see? Like, it's very subtle, but my lips just look highlighted. That's what I kind of think of these as, like highlighters for your lips. This is a very chic, subtle, sophisticated glimmer situation. Again, several of the things I'm talking about are limited edition. So if you are interested in getting them, you probably want to try to get them soon because I don't know how long they're going to stick around. Okay, so I'm moving on to the last product, and this is a very bold statement, but I can honestly say this is my most favorite new product drop of the last few months. This is the Merit fragrance. It is called Retrospect. I am not without this fragrance. And the notes in this are so incredibly nuanced. Like I've said so many times before, it's really hard to even tell you what it smells like. So I'm going to read you some of the details about this fragrance. This is a highly concentrated extrait de parfum, nearly 30% fragrance oil that melts into skin for a pure, long-lasting scent that wears for over 12 hours. Instantly familiar yet difficult to describe, like I said. It's a balanced fragrance that wears close to the skin and evolves as you wear it. That is like the perfect way to say that. This is a custom glass bottle which was designed to sit comfortably in the palm of your hand, a nod to the tradition of fragrance as a timeless accessory. The top notes in this are bergamot, pear, ambrette, and aldehydes. I hope I'm pronouncing all of those right. The heart of this is jasmine, rose, rosemary, violet, and orris. And the bottom notes are vanilla, musk, and moss. So there's almost like a little bit of everything in this. That's why it's so difficult to describe. Okay, guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for joining me. And as always, everything I talked about here today is going to be linked down below in the description box. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time.